favorite day of the week. The day of the week when we ask ourselves, does this thing really work? It's so heavy. I need the foot to help me. Today we have an extremely exciting, very strange product to test out all the way from Japan. It is a workout product. You guys know 2019, I'm in it to be fitness. But before we get into all of that, let's give a quick thank you and a quick shout out to today's video sponsor. And today's video is very graciously sponsored by Summer's Eve, so be sure and stick around to see how I get fresh post-workout. Okay, you guys, I'm excited for today's video. We've got a very weird product and we've got another new room that we're in. I'm just kidding. It's the orange room. And I have a backdrop up here. Why does my backdrop look all scrumply? Everyone on YouTube films in front of a backdrop and they're all pulled tautly, very glamorous, and look at that. Just look at it. I mean, I love you, but you're a mess. Although the same can be said about me. I had to wait about 2.5 weeks for this thing to arrive from me. I do believe it is the equivalent of a Japanese infomercial product. Unfortunately, all of the instructions are in Japanese, but I have been able to find a couple of YouTube videos on this item. So basically we're going to be using it through like pictorial guidance because unfortunately I don't understand Japanese. It is a very special chair and it is called, how do you say that word? I can't even say mint. Why would I be able to say that? Basically what it is a HULA-like chair. They claim that you will be able to trim away this tough belly fat. And boy, am I, I'm really dressed for a workout routine today. Cardigan, like sweating already under the lamps. This is a workout, just sitting under hot lamps. Is that a workout I can do? Hot lamp workout? I have kind of been talking about two things lately. Thing one, new year, new me, which I feel like is a cheesy phrase to continue to say in any month after January, but definitely I have been talking to you guys a lot about how I want to get more fit. Less sodas, more fitness. Are you with me? I had a brain fart. Okay, less soda, more fitness, new year, new me. Help me out here. You know what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, the other goal is to trim the belly fat. I made a tweet about it the other day, but you guys, some people seem to think I'm pregnant in here. I'm not. Over the past like XYZ months, I probably gained, roughly 5 pounds, give or take, and it is in the troubled, dreaded midsection. Look, I'll show you my midsection. I'll bare my midsection for you. Look at this. This is not, it's not going so good. This is the trouble area. Am I troubled by it? I don't know. Let's just roll with it. Since, I guess I am a spoiled brat, or so the internet would like to say. I want my fitness to be fun. Okay, I don't want it to be hard work. I don't want to be sad when I'm doing it. I want a machine that's interactive and that maybe I can still use my phone while I'm doing it. In walks this device. I feel like I need to start doing vocal exercises. Do, re, mi. Boy, I hope this is all in one piece. I haven't peeked in the box yet. Let's just hope no assembly is required. In true Graveyard Girl style, I am doing this at, what do you want to bet? Is it before or after 1 a.m.? Ooh, 12:34. This is what we have in here. We've got, a workout DVD. Okay, we know I'm not gonna watch that, but can I turn it into a necklace? One complimentary necklace. So far we have a necklace, some paper, some instructions that I can't read, but what I'm interpreting from these before and after pictures and the way that she's gasping, I think that I'm gonna go from that to that in just 3 minutes a day. Do you see what I'm saying? This is a TV thing. I'm gonna call it a hula chair. There are hula dancers in their video, so it's a hula chair. This is what it looks like. It's heavy. Look, you can also use it to lift. Whew. I'm supposed to be able to jiggle going this way, jiggle going this way, and then we're gonna get real sophisticated and we're gonna do a figure 8. All while trimming my my tubby trouble. I've got trouble. I just pinched my finger on the tripod and it hurt. But there's good news. I called the doctor and he said I'll live if you leave a like on this video. Let's sit on the chair. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Whoa! Jeez, that didn't go as planned. In just 3 minutes a day, you too can fall off a chair. Oh yeah, I forgot in this infomercial, why do I look so ghastly pale? Am I always like this? They also told me this was good for my bones somehow, or maybe I'm just interpreting that once again through the pictures. I feel like I'm out of breath already, and I sat on a chair and fell off once. I haven't done any exercise. Oh jeez, why? Whoa! I'm gonna put this cardigan here just as like a little crash buffer. Good news, I've sat on this chair for 2 seconds. Okay, I'm trying. Don't. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait. Should I? Oh, it's not going good for me. It's not going good. I'm gonna fall. Oh geez. Let it happen. All right. I feel like I should tie my shirt up. Like maybe I shouldn't have worn this like baggy shirt because you guys, y'all can't see the muscles flexing. The muscles of which I have none. Is that an appropriate flexing on YouTube? Flexing of the muscles? Ooh, look. Okay. There we go. Look at it. It's like I came back with a hair tie and a whole new ability to do this. Okay, this is actually fun. When you stop falling off, wait, am I supposed to, I feel like I'm not doing it right. I bet I'm supposed to be like, not doing what I just said. Okay, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try and like, look at that. Oh, geez, see, that's what overconfidence gets you. You get too confident, you fall off your hula chair, and then you gotta learn how to balance all over again. Okay. Look at that. Look, okay, honestly though, it's fun to just do it wrong. Woo! It's the rodeo, ladies and gentlemen. I'm doing good. I'm getting fit. Okay, can I just say, oh, butt pain. Butt pain. A muscular butt pain is shooting through my body. Guys, I'm too far gone. If you stop moving at home, stop it. Get some help. I did just allow myself to, I think, get really sad and then stop moving and eat a lot of tacos. Pretty sure that's where my life choices have been for the past, 2 years. So now we're gonna hula it off. We're gonna just live a different life. I will say I don't have a lick of knowledge if I'm doing this right, but I am feeling something. I'm sweating. I don't like that feeling. And I do feel a burning in my stomach. Unless that's all the coffee I've drank today. Also a distinctive possibility. I also feel like I'm training for skiing. Don't you do this if you're skiing? Like, ugh. It's just a wind chime. Like, you know that, like, you know when you've moved and you can feel in your muscles that you've moved? Not sure if I'm supposed to get any tone feeling here. I need it, so if it's happening, it's good, but I am feeling like a burning not only in the stomachal area, but also in the yayas. Is that what these are called? I'm gonna turn this way because I'm gonna try and do the front and back thing. I don't feel like y'all get much from this, you know, me doing this like, ooh, you can see my toesies. Hello! I walk barefoot everywhere. Like a hippie. My feet might be dirty. If they are, pretend like you didn't see that. I'm gonna move the chair this way so we can see some of the ooh, will she make it? Yes. Ooh, look. Ooh. I don't know why I can't imagine. Dude, they look funny when they do it on the video. Oh! Too much of the, back arch. It's like I'm trying to model for Instagram right now. Yes. Ooh, all the likes. Does this get 100,000 likes? Yes. Yes. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Ooh. When you start to teeter, you think you're gonna lose it. I don't know if I'm doing this right, you guys. That does not look okay. I don't like that at all. If you get this, maybe don't do this. It hurts. Can I be honest? I wish that I could just like lay down, okay, and like put some kind of apparatus on my stomach, and like maybe it would just like, you know what I mean? And then I would just like get up after napping for like an hour, and have a six-pack. It is 2019, okay? Where is the science I was promised? Why do I still have to sweat under my armpits? Oh, I do feel something. Forgot what it feels like to feel something. I don't like it. I'm trying to think of a scenario where somebody could like walk into your house and catch you doing this. When you clicked on this video, did you guys think it was just gonna be 10 minutes of me going like this? Because that's what you got. I'm trying to do it in slow motion. I feel like I'm using my arms, honestly, more than my stomach. I feel like I'm just floundering around with my stomach and like pulling myself on the handles. Oh geez, oh geez, okay. I meant to do that. You know what they say, if you fall off your hula butt chair, you just gotta get back on. Can I injure myself like this? It's definitely been more than 3 minutes. Can I overdo it? I tell you where I feel it the most literally is the inner thighs. I do feel a little in the stomach. I feel like my hands are so red right now. You guys, I just like fell into some sort of trance and just kept doing this for a really long time. So I must like it. This must be a resounding endorsement. My hands are so sweaty. I guess that means I've worked out. If you sweat, does that mean you're working out? Cause my face is sweaty. Oh, can you tell? It's just a little bit. I'm not too much of a sweater, if I'm honest. My stomach feels sweaty. My armpits are sweaty. I feel like even the back of my knee, like this is sweat. Oh, this is sweaty. I don't like that. I do feel like this little device was a lot of fun. It's not too expensive for workout equipment. I think it was around $160. It did cost quite a few dollars to ship it, but it did come directly from Japan. So that's kind of to be expected. I actually have several workout things that I want to test out for does this thing really work? Even though I'm kind of conflicted with that, like I don't know if you guys are going to enjoy videos like this or not, because obviously I can't 100% tell you if this thing does really work or not based on one like 20-minute workout. You have to do workouts obviously like consistently over time before you're really going to see any results or not. Obviously, I'm sweating and you know, my muscles do just feel a little tired. Like I do feel like I did just freshly work out. So there's that. I feel like I must have just been doing something. I do love stuff like this. I feel like it's silly. I feel like it's wacky. I feel like it's different. And I did honestly have fun using this thing. I feel like I'm more inclined to use them. Like if I enjoy using a product, like I'm gonna be more incentivized to use said product. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all like more of these weird products. I have more different unusual products coming on the way, so I'm excited about that. Stay tuned. But now, roll that beautiful sponsorship footage. Thank you so much to Summer's Eve for sponsoring this video. Since I have made working out, fitness, walking, getting sweaty such a daily routine in my life at this point, it is obviously important to stay fresh and clean. So I have really gotten into incorporating these two Summer's Eve products into my life. They are both from their Simply Summer's Eve line. So this is the Simply Summer's Eve Coconut Water Gentle Foaming Wash, and these are the Simply Summer's Eve Lavender and Chamomile Cleansing Cloths. So not only do these products help you stay fresh and clean, but the Simply Summer's Eve line is free from paraben, dyes, and alcohol. They are pH balanced and gynecologist and dermatologist tested. Not only are these products infused with botanical extracts, but they are also balanced for a woman's natural pH. I will go ahead and just do a pump of the cleanser so you guys can see. It does just make a very nice foam. And here are the cleansing cloths. So they come in these little single-use packets, which is obviously great to throw in your purse or maybe your gym bag. Like I said, I like to use these to keep fresh after I do a workout routine, but also these products are great to use to keep you fresh during your period, or maybe after you've been wearing a lot of tight clothing like skinny jeans, when you're on vacation during the summer. That is the lavender and chamomile wipe. So if you are looking for new and different ways to help you stay fresh, be sure and check out Summer's Eve by clicking the first link in the info box down below. And a huge thank you once again to Summer's Eve. That's it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, for tuning in, for hanging out with me today, and spending a little quality Swamp Family time together. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. Also, if you want, don't forget to hit the bell, and then you will be notified every time I upload a new video on this channel. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all very, very soon. Bye!